My name is Tina. Today, I'm so glad to introduce about derivative or rate of change. These are very useful tools to help us to measure the velocity. So let's imagine this time you drive a car and running on the highway. At the 8 a.m., you look at the mile marker and it marked 128 miles, and you keep driving. At the 10 a.m., you look the mile marker again. It's 200, and then you want to measure your velocity at the 8 a.m., but you don't know the distance and you don't know the time. What should we do? So this topic is how can we measure the velocity? We can use this, the four information we can measure the velocity. The first step, we can use the 8. This is 8 a.m. and this is 10 a.m. and this view position is on 128 and this is 200. And you can know the distance is 100 minus 200 minus 128 divided by 10 minus 8. And you know the velocity is the distance divided by times. And you can find out your average rate of change. And the unit is kilometer per hour. But this is just average rate of change. It's your average velocity. But the question is, we want to find the instantaneous velocity at 8 a.m. So we can put the B approaches to A. So it's the next step. The second step, we want to put B goes to 8, but it cannot equals 8. But the B cannot equals 8. And this is two graph, and in this step we can use the limit. And if we use the limit, we can go to third step. Like if the B goes to like 7.8, 7.9, 7.99, 7.999, or 8.1, 8.01, 8.001, you can know that instantaneous velocity will approaches to the instantaneous rate of change of the A. So we can estimate if B approaches to 8 and the instantaneous of the 8 a.m. should be 32 kilometers per hour. This is the unit. So congratulations, you find that this is the derivative of that formula. Like this formula is y equals 2x squared, and this derivative is 4x. Put x goes to 8, and we can measure the instantaneous velocity is 4 times 8 is 32. So, does anyone have some question? All right. So, today I just want to tell you it's a very useful tools like rate of change, like derivative to help us to measure the average rate of change, average velocity, or instantaneous velocity. It's very useful in our life. So study math. You can do calculus. Okay, thank you.